Hi, I am Dr. Sunil Ishwar. I am Clinical Director of IKEA Fertility and Research Center. I am a laparoscopic surgeon and infertility specialist practicing for past 20 years. I started IKEA Healthcare way back in 2014 with a view to bring about the best medical care and attention at an affordable rate to all the women who require pregnancy and treatment to complete their family. We here in IKEA are trying to combine the past experience regarding the Vedic medicine and Ayurveda in our present day practice to improve the outcome. Regarding the present, we are well trained in our allopathic medicine. We have been working in the field of fertility for past 20 years. We have one of the best IVF labs here and also the equipments up to date which is necessary to improve the outcome. We believe that future is more exciting. That's the reason we have inculcated in our practice to maintain the records really well. We are tied up with the biomedical companies to inculcate the research which is happening in sense that there is something called as robo-ICSI, or there is certain innovative techniques to improve the outcome and the satisfaction of the patient and the couple. As we believe that we learn more by training more and more clinicians and embryologists, we in view of that have started our own Academy of Embryology so that we get to train more people and learn more and improve our techniques. We have two centers, one on Kanakpura Road near Ragunalli, another one is in JP Nagar, first phase, Bangalore. We have a very good team of clinicians and embryologists, and also a team of alternate medicines who will deal with Ayurveda and yoga. We have a very good team of psychologists and counselors who will deal with the stress, and this whole environment is more of a friendly and a family kind of environment. All this is combined in a certain way to make it pleasing and affordable to all the couples who want to conceive. Our idea is that no couple should be denied this futuristic treatment to complete their dream of completion of the family. I urge all the couples who want to conceive their dreams to come and experience IKEA Fertility and Research Center. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Smriti Nayak. I am the Assistant Medical Director at IKEA Fertility and Research Center. I'm also a fertility specialist, obstetrician and gynecologist, and a laparoscopic surgeon. The strongest women become the strongest mothers. We at IKEA Fertility and Research Center want to help these women achieve their dream. We know that infertility is on the rise. According to the WHO statistics, every 1 in 5 couples find it difficult to conceive. It's been more than 40 years since the first IVF baby was born in 1978. There are over 8 million babies all over the world which have been born through IVF, and around 2 to 2.5 lakh cycles of IVF are conducted every year in our country. In spite of this, the stigma against IVF still continues. The biggest challenge we face is the lack of information and the lack of treatment at an affordable rate. So, at IKEA Fertility and Research Center, we provide the whole spectrum of services to help couples conceive, starting from basic infertility evaluation, going on to ovulation induction, as well as intrauterine insemination. We also do in vitro fertilization, which is an advanced technology which helps women conceive. At IKEA, we believe in a team-based approach, and we have a very renowned laparoscopic surgeon, Dr. Sunil Ishwar, who is also our chief fertility specialist. And myself, Dr. Smriti, we have done over 1,000 IVF cycles together and helped millions of childless couples conceive. We also have Dr. Chandan, who is our chief embryologist and scientific director of the IKEA Academy of Advanced Embryology. He is accredited by the American College of Embryology and a very renowned embryologist in Bangalore. At IKEA Advanced Embryology Institute, we integrate with IKEA Fertility and Research Center so that we can provide our patients with the most recent and advanced technology to help them have the best outcome. Integrative health brings conventional and complementary approaches together in a coordinated way. It is multimodal in the sense that it involves more than two therapies in the form of psychotherapy, couple counseling, and lifestyle changes. This helps us in a holistic approach to the patient and makes sure that the couple are treated as a whole rather than only the fertility treatment. We have a team of therapists who are specialized in yoga and counseling to provide a wholesome and therapeutic approach to all the couples in their journey towards parenthood. IKEA Fertility and Research Center, JP Nagar, Bangalore is a 3,500 square foot facility with a full-fledged OPD comprising of multiple consultation rooms. We also have a conference room which caters to yoga sessions and couple counseling sessions. We have a full-fledged andrology lab with the latest equipments and a state-of-the-art embryology lab which is equipped with all the latest technology. We have an IVF OT exclusively for the oocyte retrieval and a minor OT where all the daycare procedures are done like hysteroscopies and laparoscopies. In fact, our tagline is bringing science to life, where we try to provide affordable, reliable and transparent treatment modalities to all the couples. Difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. We at IKEA Fertility and Research Center promise to be there with you throughout this journey towards parenthood.